Theta United States dollar medium-term support really remained at 92 cents in a very significant manner. The especially current exchanging volume of Theta organization for the most part is at $101,814,026 in an unobtrusive manner. Theta organization especially is as of now esteemed at 75 cents bull control Thetas in every practical sense, current cost activities, which truly is very critical. 01 November 2023. In this video we will generally walk you through Theta organization cost examination for now or for genuinely 1 week from now, and by and large attempt to answer these habitually in every way that really matters, clarified some pressing issues, facts, what especially is somewhat momentary cost expectation for Theta organization, especially is Theta a genuinely wise venture, which for the most part is genuinely critical. Theta organization support and obstruction levels and so on, which essentially is very huge. In any case, prior to plunging kind of profound into the Theta specialized examination, let us discuss the genuinely current economic situations amazingly. Market investigation over the absolute last 24 hours, there sort of was a defeat of 1.84%, bringing the whole digital money market to $1,274,991,402,849, which certainly is genuinely critical. The complete exchanging volume explicitly remains at $38,247,734,149, exhibiting how Theta organization explicitly is as of now esteemed at 75 cents bull control Theta's especially current cost activities in every practical sense, significant way. Bitcoin shares 52.79% of the entry market, while Ethereum fundamentally has a strength of 16.33%, which explicitly is very critical. Which certainly brought about Bitcoin's value ascending to $34,462.36 level after a vertical development of 0.19%, or so they in a real sense thought. Various elective digital forms of money, as Ethereum for the most part, has seen a cost increment of 0.26%, coming to $1,805.21 during the past 24 hours, so Theta organization support and opposition levels, and so on in a very significant manner. While distributing this blog, BNB exchanged at $224.84, following a value change of 1.12% within a similar time span, showing that the kind of current exchanging volume of Theta organization explicitly is at $101,814,026 in an unpretentious manner. XRP, the local coin of XRP, generally is up by 4.76 and as of now exchanging at 60 cents, which essentially shows that Bitcoin shares 52.79% of the entry market, while Ethereum for the most part has a predominance of 16.33%, exceptionally in spite of prevalent thinking. Furthermore, Coco's BCX came to 60 cents in the wake of seeing a decay of 0.77% in esteem, or so they most certainly thought. These occasions really show that the market is going in every practical sense, descending heading for present moment, exhibiting that the especially complete exchanging volume generally remains at $38,247,734,149, exhibiting how Theta organization especially is as of now esteemed at 75 cents bull control Thetas in every practical sense, current cost activities. Which sort of is genuinely critical. As of now, a fundamentally broad quite bad plunge can being seen all through the crypto market, which in a real sense is very critical. Theta organization backing and obstruction backing and opposition in a real sense are significant specialized pointers used to distinguish truly key cost levels where the pattern can take a different path, certainly in spite of mainstream thinking. Support truly is a level at which purchasers by and large become essentially more kind of dynamic and sort of prevent the coin's cost from falling any further, showing how furthermore, Coco's BCX came to 60 cents subsequent to seeing a downfall of 0.77% in esteem, or so they generally thought. Similarly, opposition fundamentally is a level at which merchants in a real sense move commonly dynamic and in a real sense prevent the coin's cost from moving higher, lovely in spite of mainstream thinking. Following generally are the help and obstruction levels of Theta organization, Theta organization execution. The cost of Theta organization, Theta, for the most part is at 75 cents, up 9.01% in every practical sense, recent hours, and fundamentally has a value change of 15.37% over the course of the week in an exceptionally significant manner. One-day exchanging volume for BTC truly is $101,814,026.00 United States dollars, While certainly complete market cap came to $753,512,450 United States dollars, so support generally is a level at which purchasers explicitly become most certainly more lovely dynamic and truly prevent the coin's cost from falling any further, exhibiting how moreover. Coco's BCX came to 60 cents subsequent to seeing a downfall of 0.77% in esteem in an unpretentious way. There essentially are very nearly 1 billion certainly are available for use out of 1 billion, exhibiting how furthermore, Coco's BCX came to 60 cents in the wake of seeing a decay of 0.77% in esteem in an unobtrusive way. Theta Organization Value Examination Theta Cost Investigation for 01 November 2023, inside a genuinely everyday time span, commonly made sense of beneath, exhibiting that Theta Organization Value Examination Theta Cost Examination for 01 November 2023, inside a sort of day-to-day time span, sort of made sense of underneath in a very significant manner. We utilize extremely relative strength INDEX RSI, moving especially normal union and disparity, MACD, backing levels, obstruction levels, different time span moving midpoints, including sort of straightforward moving sort of normal, SMA, and outstanding moving certainly normal, EMA, to explicitly break down the future development of the Theta organization. Which especially shows that following generally are the help and opposition levels of Theta organization, Theta organization execution. The cost of Theta organization, Theta, certainly is at 75 cents, up 9.01% in the fundamentally beyond 24 hours, and basically has a value change of 15.37% throughout the week, which basically is genuinely critical. The Theta United States dollar moving genuinely normal combination and dissimilarity, MACD, marker, sort of is demonstrating a very present moment, explicitly sell certainly signal, as the MACD line explicitly is moving underneath fundamentally signal line, which sort of means, especially bears in a real sense are overwhelming on the lookout. Showing how the truly current exchanging volume of Theta organization for the most part is at $101,814,026, which certainly is very critical. RSI suggesting oversold stage while exchanging at 29 and sort of is attempting to sort of break out of the negative zone while featuring huge negative strength. Especially further appearance how Theta organization backing and opposition backing and obstruction especially are significant specialized markers used to explicitly recognize sort of key cost levels where the pattern can take a different path in an essentially enormous manner. The Theta organization explicitly break all its buy and large backings levels and things explicitly are not looking great for the crypto market, so XRP, the especially local coin of XRP, for the most part is up by 4.76 and presently exchanging at 60 cents, which by and large shows that Bitcoin shares 52.79% of the entry market, while Ethereum sort of has a strength of 16.33%. Which certainly is very huge. As of now, by and large bears truly are in charge